Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on the Dogecoin. The Dogecoin has been giving us a lot of trading opportunities on the different time frame charts, and I've been sharing with you all these trading patterns, and I'm also sharing all these patterns at the Patreon as well. And here I'm also sharing the different other harmonic patterns on the different other assets as well. So if you would like to support me here and follow my Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there, and you will find a lot more other harmonic trading ideas here. Now, first of all, I want to show you my previous major idea with you that I shared back in the month of February, when the price action of Doge completed a bullish Gardley move. At that time, the price line was just likely to complete this bullish Gardley, and it was just forming the final leg of this bullish Gardley move, and I was expecting up to 226% rally as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gardley move. And I told you that if the price action will break down this EMA 10 on the daily time frame, then it can complete the bullish Gardley move. Now, after playing this chart, you can see that the price action moved sideways in this buying zone, dragged us for more than a month, and after that we had a very big fruitful rally, and that was more than 700% so far. Now if we move to the daily time 4-hour time frame chart, this is a small time period 4-hour chart to catch the different support and resistance levels that we have found recently. And here we can see that the price action of Doge has found a resistance at 40 cents, and the immediate support we have after 40 cents resistance, that is at 25 cents. And you can see that the price action of Doge is moving between the 40 cents resistance and the 25 support very well, and at this time it is likely to have a bounce from this 25 support level. And we also have some additional supports, like we have the 25 simple moving average here, the 50 simple moving average, the 100 simple moving average, and then we have the 200 simple moving average strongest support below this 14 cents support level. In fact, this is not the 14, this is the 13 cents support level we have here, and I'll show you why we have here the 13 cents support level and how the price action found a 13 cents support. First, the price action found this level as a resistance, and now it is working as a support. And you can see after getting rejected by this 40 cents, the price action is likely to move up from this 25 simple moving average as well. And today I want to show you another bullish reversal pattern like we had previously, different Gardley and ciphers and the bad patterns by the Dogecoin. At this time, the price action has completed another bullish bad pattern, and I'll show you the targets as per the Fibonacci sequence, what can be the next targets for the Dogecoin. Now, this is really very important chart. Here I have placed the exponential moving averages with the time period of 10. This is the 10 and this is the 21, and we can see that the price action at this time is using this exponential moving average 10 as a support. And if we take a look at the previous rally, like for example here, when the price action had this rally up to almost 8 cents, I think, yes, that was 8 cents, we had the rally up to this 8 cents resistance. Here the price action found the resistance at 8 cents. Then the price action moved down, and if we take a look at this retracement, then this retracement was up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And if we place it from here, then it was, in that situation as well, it was up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And the price action used this EMA 10 as a support, did not hit the EMA 21, and we had another powerful rally to the upside. Now at this time, the price action is again accumulated at the EMA 10 again. You can see that the price action is not touching the EMA 21 so far. We are having the accumulation above this EMA 10, and from here the price action can have another rally to the upside. And at the same time, while the price action is moving at EMA 10, the price action has completed another bullish reversal, harmonic bat move, and this bat pattern has been completed on the 6-hour chart, and this is the pattern. And here we can expect up to 55.5% rally as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish bat, because this is a smaller one. Previously we had the chart on the daily basis, and here we have on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, we had this bat pattern. Today I shared this pattern at the Patreon, and you can see that the price action at that time was moving here at the end of this buying zone, and after playing this chart we can see that the price action is now getting reversed. And this is on the live daily 4-hour time frame chart. We can see that the price action after completing this bat pattern is likely to move up. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, our next targets can be from 0.3235 to 0.3967 cents. However, if we take a look at the previous move, like for example here, if I place this Fibonacci tool again from low to high, the high to low, from this high to this low, then we can see that here at 13 cents, the price action found first a resistance. If I switch to the small time period chart, then we can see that here at 13 cents, the price action found the resistance, and this was the level of 1.618 Fibonacci extension from this low to this high. Because at the same time, the price action also behaved like the bull flag as well. Now, if the price action is going to repeat this move, then if I place again this Fibonacci tool from this high to this low, then our next Fibonacci extension of 1.618 is at approximately 70 cents. So if the price action will be able to break out this resistance, that is really very strong resistance at this time. You can see even after several attempts, the price action is not able to break out this 40 cents resistance. But once we will have the breakout from this 40 cents resistance level, then we can expect an immediate move up to 70 cents. And that is the Fibonacci extension, 1.618 Fibonacci extension from this high to this low. And previously the price action also did the same. So we can expect that once the price line will be able to break out this 40 cents, then we can have an imminent move up to 70 cents approximately. That is 1.618 Fibonacci extension. And this 25 cents support is very important, because if the price action will break down this 25 cents, then you can see here, if you watch the candlesticks closely, you can see we don't have any significant support between the 25 to 13 cents. Then price action can move down to previous support at 13 cents. Maybe we will have this 100 moving average will work as an additional support, as a good support, and from here it will be moved up. However, if we take a look at the price level support, then after 25 we don't have any significant support up to 13 cents. So this should be our stop loss. If it will be broken down, then we can expect a move down to this 13 cents. So this was the analysis for today for the Dogecoin, and if I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.